We tried Madras Spice restaurant on Fraser Street in Vancouver. Let me take you in and show you the decor as well as the delicious food that we ordered and ate. Simple seating, but comfortable and very clean restaurant. I like the polka dot decorations on one side of the wall. Coming up is the food that we ordered, which is absolutely delicious, and I would come here again. First, a glimpse of the menu. Reasonably priced menu and a good variety. This is the masala Uthappam. It came with a lovely sambar, which was nice and thick, some sweet and sour red sauce, and a white coconut chutney. Here is a close-up of the masala Uthappam. It was topped with various veggies, which I enjoyed a lot. I enjoyed the masala Uthappam that I ordered another one to pack and take home. The sambar is nice too. It's got some veggies in it. And when I tasted this earlier, the sauce, it has a spicy, sweet, tangy flavor. This is the mutton fry masala. Comes with rice and roti. This is the nadan chicken curry. And that too comes with rice and roti. We're going to taste the nadan chicken curry. Looks like a lovely gravy. Let me know what it tastes like. Is it creamy? Looks creamy. And it's boneless chicken. It's hot. What does it taste like?
Very nice.
Is it creamy?
Yes, it's creamy and nice and spicy.
Okay, yes, we like it spicy. When placing the order of a food, I ask for spicy level. I'm going to be tasting the nadan chicken. It seems like it's all boneless and it's really piping hot. It's got a coconut flavor in the gravy. The chicken is cooked to perfection. And I like that it's boneless. It's a really delicious chicken with rice. I'm going to taste another chicken with the curry and the roti. The roti is nice and crispy, and it complements the chicken curry very well. This is the mutton masala fry. My husband's having it with roti. How is it?
It's good. Very nice.
Very delicious.
Yeah.
The mutton is soft, is it?
Yes.
It's soft and spicy. Not as spicy as the chicken dish, but I tasted this and it seems like it's spicy, which we like. I'm going to taste the mutton masala with roti. When you place your order, you can inform the waitress of your spice level. It's very soft, and I haven't tasted spices like this before, so I'm really glad I've come to this restaurant which is called Madras Spice. I think I'd like to order some more and take home for my dinner. I'm now tasting this mutton masala with rice. You can see the meat just cuts through. And it shreds as you cut. It goes well with the rice as well as the roti. Madras coffee. Creamy and smooth. Really delicious.